Being a leader, I have to understand my people so I can help them so they can do their job well. What I've learned by going through these management classes at Indiana Tech, we've learned to work with the people, to put the people first. Taking classes with my coworkers and colleagues was very enlightening. We learn a lot with each other's position throughout the factory. We shared a lot. We gained a lot of knowledge on what really goes on inside management and outside the floor and the processes. In our first class, we were lucky because we had another supervisor that's in fab, then we had quality, and then we had team leads, and then I'm a supervisor of assembly. And the ideas that we were sharing, we're growing, we are advancing, and we're bringing our people. We're bringing hope. Reelcraft and Indiana Tech has went to great lengths to make sure this will succeed for all levels of people. By going through these classes in the certificate program, you're getting education, you're getting people feeling worth, value, you're making strong individuals. The return on investment is hundredfold in my eyes. Now that the courses are starting to end, I'm just excited. I mean, I can't wait. I really can't wait and see what's next.